Bye-bye. Bye-bye, drone. Bye-bye, drone. It's not an airplane. It's the drone.
Oh.
Did you say airplane? Bye-bye. Mama? Oo. Gusto mo pa sis? Okay. Thank you.
They understand each other, even sometimes they're fighting.
Because this is telepathy, connection.
Look at that. Clip lang naman yung pinaka.
Is it a quad bike or something?
Huh?
Maybe. I don't know.
When you go
They are
there,
firing.
Oh, it's a
did you come
skateboard.
over there?
Oh.
Someone's
You walk-
skateboarding
go
over
to
there.
center.
It's like a skate park or something.
Nagpak ng hindi oras. Kasi umulan. Well, it's just ambon lang naman. Kasi maaraw pa doon. Pero dito madilim. Sobrang dilim at nagpipicture pa man din kami kanina dyan.
Just before the rain.
Just before the rain.
Okay, we're gonna get going
Okay,
before
then.
it starts getting heavy.
Okay, let's go. Bye bye. See you again. Oh, where are we going now? Should we go up there?
Yep, forward this way, and then to the left.
It's raining. Buti na lang, my camera is waterproof. You're not waterproof. Si Sam nakatulog na kasi sobrang pagod niya. Yan. Muulan.
Are you okay getting up the hill?
Yeah. Okay. You okay?
Yep. Those fine colours. Those would be good to spray gold and use as Christmas decoration.
Yeah. Not now.
That type.
Do you need help?
Not really, I just need to zip this in.
Oop. Ito yung isa pang sinasabi ko sa vlog na ang mga tao hindi bothered kapag umuulan.
Okay, good.
Hindi sila gumagamit ng payong. I can push here if you want.
You can.
I can push here if you want. Yung mga tao hindi na gumagamit ng payong. Daffodils.
So I think is it called like Dolly Abbey Drive Park, car park?
Uh-huh.
Or is it just Darley Drive? Can't remember. Might be Darley Abbey Drive.
Uh-huh.
Don't put this on your vlog.
What?
Me like failing at English. The squirrel there, put that squirrel.
I think that's it for me.
Uh-huh.
I can't do it
You had an
anymore.
okay day?
Yeah, it's very
Are
nice.
you gonna edit sometime the videos of me at Summit feeding the ducks?
Yeah, I will upload that. Just like I will say, vlog takeover by Sam and team.
Oh, not really. Just trying to feed the ducks that one time.
Honey, honey,
Uh-huh.
let's take a picture. That's it.
Is it done?
Yeah.
They got like mosaics.
So yeah, we're going home now kasi naulan na. Tatawag ng taxi si Tim. Bye!